Canvas also provides an HTML editor. As mentioned previously, many assistive technologies that provide accommodations rely on HTML code to do so. Therefore, building content within HTML editors improves accessibility. The following tutorial demonstrates how to set up accessible LMS content using the Canvas HTML editor. From the course homepage, click on the Add Module button and create a module for the new content. Click the Add Module button. Click the plus button beside the module name, and beside Add, click on Page in the drop-down menu that appears. Highlight Create Page and provide a page name. Click Add Item. Click on the page and edit. Place your cursor inside the editor and add your titles and content. Next, use the cascading style sheet features of Canvas HTML editor to format the titles. Click Save and Publish.